Hi, and welcome to this Excel Mastery series. I'm Nima, and I help you master Excel the simple and smart way. Today, we're diving deep into the Home tab, one of the most important and powerful tabs in Excel. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refresh your skills, this is where you want to start. Let's get started. Section 1. The Clipboard Group. The Clipboard Group gives you tools to manage your data. Cut, represented by the scissors icon, removes content and lets you move it to another location. You can also use the Ctrl+X shortcut. Copy, with its two-page icon, duplicates your selection. The shortcut is Ctrl+C. Paste, shown by clipboard and screen icon, lets you insert the copied or cut content. The shortcut is Ctrl+V. But the real gem here is Paste Special. Click the arrow and select Paste Special to paste only values, formatting, formulas, or even column widths. This is a game changer when you're cleaning up or organizing your data. Section 2. Font Group. This section controls how your text looks. You can change the font style and size to make your data more readable and personalized. Use bold, italic, and underline, with the B, I, and U icons to highlight important cells. You can also change the font color or fill the cell background with a solid color using the Fill Color tool. Here's a quick tip. Use subtle fills for data and bolder colors for your headings. You can also add borders around cells, which is super useful for tables. Section 3. Alignment Group. This section sets how content is displayed inside the cells. You can control the text position to the left, center, or right. For vertical positioning, use the top, middle, and bottom alignments. Another useful tool is Wrap Text, which lets long text appear on multiple lines within a single cell. One of the most used sections in Excel is Merge and Center. You can combine multiple cells into one and center the content. It's often used for headings but is very useful in tables. A pro tip for you: try to avoid merging cells inside your main tables as it can mess with sorting and filtering. Section 4. Number Group. Here you can format your numbers. You can use options like General, Number, Currency, Date, Time, Percentage, and more. You can also increase, jot, decrease decimal places, or switch to custom formats for more advanced control. This section is essential when you're building financial models or dashboards. Section 5. Style Group. Let's start with conditional formatting. This tool automatically highlights your data based on rules you design. For example, highlight cells greater than 100, or use data bars and color scales. Next is cell styles. These are quick formatting options like Heading 1, Good, Bad, or Neutral. They help organize and visually clarify your sheet. Section 6. Cells Group. Here you can insert new rows, columns, or sheets, or delete selected ones. You can also format the cells, change the row height and column width, or even lock, hide, or protect cells. Get ready for another tip. Try AutoFit to automatically adjust column widths to perfectly fit your content. Section 7. Editing Group. The first one is AutoSum. It lets you quickly sum numbers in your cells. Next is Fill. This is used to copy values or create a series, like 1, 2, 3. Then we have Clear. This gives you the ability to remove content, formatting, comments, or links. Next up is the Sort and Filter section. This is where you can organize your data. Sort by alphabet, size, or use filters for better analysis. And finally, Find and Select lets you find data, formulas, or comments, or use Go to Special for more advanced tasks. That's everything you need to know about the Home tab, and that's just the beginning. In future videos, we'll explore other tabs like Insert, Page Layout, and more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss future lessons. Let's continue to master Excel, one sheet at a time.